Hello?
Hello, ambulance services and emergency. How may I assist you?
I need one ambulance on my yard, thick and fast. My baby father drop out the Aki tree, my love.
Really?
Yeah, go the gun up in a Aki tree, light post. He champ on the tree and him never know it shock him and him drop out the Aki tree, spread out and ground a foam and a frat and a flutter. Won't you see if you can give no sweet sugar water and no sugar in my yard?
Then he did not pray before he comes out of the house this morning?
What you say?
If somebody gets shocked and then drop out of a hockey tree, that sound like that person had curse,
I mean, what curse you would say,
So why you behaving?
I don't know, gold teeth and grills in my mouth, I'll be a rotten teeth. So you make me have to open up my cranny mouth for you and I go like it.
Alright, then why you getting so defensive and coming at me with the insults? It's not me saying your man go up in hockey tree,
I just true not even why you come give my man a bad injection. And that's why I don't want this, lady.
Yeah, of course I can assist you, but I'm going to have to ask you a few questions, you understand? Is that okay?
Alright, talk fast. Hurry up.
Is Hoofa was the hockey tree that he was climbing up into?
That not important. What that have to do with not now?
Yes, it's an important question. I got to ask that because if it's somebody hockey he was thieving and drop out of the tree, that sound like his karma catching me and I does not want to interfere in that. I have to allow karma to run its course.
It don't matter if Hoofa hockey tree him gone up, the man just drop out the hockey tree and you're in the hockey tree and you're hockey tree drop out. That's all that matter.
Alright, no problem. We can move on to the nether one. On a scales of 1 to 10, how would you rate the drop?
When you ask me if him drop it?
No, I'm asking you to rate the drop, miss. Was it a boof? Was it a peng? Was it a budoof buff? What kind of a drop was it?
So tell me something. You go to school, go study for Tony idiot, can't be an idiot question you ask me.
Miss, you're shouting in the hair zone, man.
Don't make me have to diss you.
You're sounding very jumpy, like you got a extra life into your body that you're trying to give away. You want to see if you can go and blow it into your little half-dead man?
I blow me one blow, two kicking on your face.
Then what you think would happen? You think I was going to turn the nether cheek for you, blow another kick over the other side? I am not that kind of person, You know you are very rude.
Miss, you send the ambulance or not?
No, we cannot waste the ambulance like that, ma'am. Because it's only once something happened to you. I don't know if you want to wait until something happened to anybody else down into your neighborhood. Or maybe you can help the process and go up into the said hockey tree and jump out of it, and then we can, we can do a 2 for 1.
So the more you attack me, I catch a vision for you. I'm just imagine how your mouth long and skin up and favor and then dirty cheese you crepe.
Miss, if you know what I know, you take your man and put him on a hand cat or a donkey cat and push him go up by the hospital, If you start right now, you can reach up there by tomorrow morning and the following day he shall get you.
Hey, me will go on, hey.
Miss, I got to go now. You're interrupting me reading time. I'm going to have to call some other place. You understand? Because you're starting to upset me. Miss, I got to go now. Call somebody else, alright?